this is a video for YouTube to see how my pager works. When you right now I have it off. When you on A, it beeps and vibrates. B is when you're in church. I don't beep. It just vibrates to let you know that there's a call. C is monitoring 90. And again, it beeps and vibrates because that's how I have it set up.
And it says D position will do the exact same thing, alert and vibrate.
D position will do exactly beep and vibrate. It's on scan right now. So it's scanning between 3390 and 56. Again, this is a Lancaster County pager. If you want me to do more, I can show you more. But for now, that's all I have.